In this video, you are going to see how I made this beautiful motion change thank you slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us select this and delete it. Now let us go to View and check the guides. Now go to Design, go to Format Background, go to Solid Fill and select this fill color. Now let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. And let me write here T and select it, change the font to Write Us, make it bold and increase the font size to 170 point and decrease the text box size. Now select it, go to Shape Format, go to Text Outline, make it white outline. Go to text outline, go to wide and make it 4 point. Now we need to choose the color. Let us choose the color from my previous slide. Let me take a screenshot and paste it over here to choose the color quickly. Let me place it over here. Now let us select the text, go to Shape Format, go to Text Fill. I can choose color from here, or let us choose eyedropper and let me choose this color. Now select the T, press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this and change the text to H. Select it, go to Text Fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Let us click on right button and send it to back and place it like this. Let me select everything and place it over here. Now select the H, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here and change the text by A. Select it, go to Shape Format, go to Text Fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Click on right button and send it to back. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and change it to by N. Click on right button, send it to back. Select it, go to Text Fill, go to eyedropper and choose this color. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and change it to by K. Select it, go to Text Fill, eyedropper and select this color. Click on right button and send it to back. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here, right here Y. Select it, go to Text Fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, change it to by O. Select it, go to Text Fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Now place it over here. Click on right button and send it to back. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, change it by U. Select it, go to Text Fill, go to eyedropper and select this color. Click on right button and send it to back and adjust it like this. Now let me delete this screenshot. Go to over here, click on right button and make a duplicate slide. Now let us go to the first slide and let me zoom out by hold down the Ctrl key and scroll down the mouse. Now select all of this and place outside of the slide. Now select the text and keep it over the K roughly. And select this text and keep it over U. Now select the second slide, go to Transition and apply Morph. And change the duration to 2.5 seconds and go to the first slide and let us watch the slideshow. And you will see this is looking very beautiful. If you want to get the slide, just check the description. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.